Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price, a reduced price, and loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, heated mirrors, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration, third row seating. You are going to love the 2018 Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag. Your new ride is just a phone call away.